So I consider it my job to handle Ben Carson, Raven Simone, random black people on the internet. It's your job to handle Donald Trump. White people get your blow. That's all I'm saying.
You say handle, Kamau. Handle. How did you handle, as you use in your post, Rachel Dolezal, for example? And how should white people handle Donald Trump?
I did my part. I didn't do all of it. Black people came together. There's a thing called Black Twitter, I'm sure you're familiar with. Black Twitter came together to handle Rachel Dolezal. I also wrote blogs about it. I tweeted about it. I talked about it on stage as a comedian. That's what I do. I'm still talking about it. I'm recognizing the problem and talking about the problem and claiming my race when I talk about the problem. I'm not talking about Rachel Dolezal as a human being. I'm talking about her as a fake black person. And I think white people need to talk about Donald Trump as the worst. He's like the pinnacle of white privilege and white supremacy meeting in one place.
And why is this a race thing?
I stunned CNN. What?
But why is Trump a race? Why is that a race thing? Why is that a white people thing? And then I'm done. I want to move on to Chicago.
Oh, yay! That sounds fun too. Because look, I feel like talk to your black friends, white people. Brooke, you talk to Don Lemon. Black people have a tendency to have to deal with their race, the people in their race. Like if somebody goes on the news, like for example, when Raven Simone went on The View and said I wouldn't hire Watermelon Andrea, black people went out and said we need to pull her coat and explain that's not the way to do it. And there were blogs written, and not from the perspective of people talking to people, but black people talking to black people. That's the way we do. We're a community. You hear people talk about the community. White people have no community. You all go, well, I really don't know what I am. I'm part Irish, part German, part British. Those are all white people.
Okay,
So white people have some white pride.
I'm going to marinate on this. I'm going to marinate on this.
Have some white pride.